we want to prove that these pieces are congruent. Somehow we would like to prove that these triangles are congruent, these little guys here. Because then if we know that the triangles are congruent, then their pieces will be congruent by CPCTC. So that's where we're going to end up. But in the beginning, we're not given info about these little triangles. We're given big info about these big triangles. So we'll prove the big triangles are congruent, this guy and this guy, and therefore their pieces are congruent, namely angle 1 and angle 2. Go ahead and just label them instead of doing the alphabet soup. And yeah, and then we'll have the little triangles congruent. So yeah, that's our plan of attack. So we have to say that since D is the midpoint, then AD is congruent to CD by the definition of midpoint. We have to say BD is congruent to itself by reflexive. So then we have the side that we just said and the side that we proved by the midpoint and the side that they gave us. So side, 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 these triangles, side, side, reflexive side, are congruent. Therefore their pieces are congruent. All of their pieces are congruent, but we kind of like to prove that these guys 1 and 2 are congruent because those are part of these little triangles here. And if I just do a little reflexive step for this, I can prove side, angle, side for these two, and then therefore their pieces are congruent, namely the ones they wanted. There you go.